Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. When we visited the beautiful island of Mauritius via a cruise ship, we decided to hire a driver to take us on a full-day tour to see as much of the island as we could. And one of our stops was to a cashmere clothing factory where we got a tour of their facility and an opportunity to purchase. This was our stop at the Cashmere Polo Club. It included a personal tour of their small workshop and retail store. We saw how they started with fine Italian yarn and wove it into handmade cardigans and pullovers for women, men, and children. And they even had dresses too. It was very interesting to see the various steps each piece goes through and how they can tailor it down to the finest details. After the factory tour, we got a personalized viewing of some of their in-stock items for purchase. While Andrea took a look at what they had to offer, Michael spoke with the owner in more detail about the quality and uniqueness of the clothing and services they offer.
This is an amazing shop. If you are in Mauritius, you need to come here and check it out. Beautiful cashmere. And they've got stuff. Look at this. Kids cashmere, kids clothing. It's an amazing store. I love the factory. I miss being around a factory. I used to work in a factory years ago in a previous life. What else you have? Look at all this cashmere. And it's all different. Very soft, very soft.
Very lightweight to travel around.
And what's your name?
My name is Ash.
Ash. Let me just check. How long have you been here?
I've been here 7 years. But this company is only 16 years.
16 years. The quality of this product is unbelievable. And the designs are pretty unique.
Yeah. Mostly the basic stuff, everyday wear.
Yeah.
We have some exclusives as well. I'll show you.
Oh, he's got some exclusive stuff. We're gonna take a look at this. Ooh, look at this design. Wow.
So what sets us apart is that totally bespoke, 100% cashmere, no mixed yarns, and we sell by weight. So we sell by the weight of the pullover. It's like a soft gold. You take it once and you keep it for minimum 10 to 15 years if you wash it right.
Really?
We give you the instructions to wash and you follow that instructions and you will keep that piece for 10 to 15 years minimum.
10, 15 years minimum you would have this piece. The quality is so high on it. But it really depends on the way you wash it. If you don't follow the washing instructions, you can destroy a piece like this. Is that correct?
And the more heavier the piece, the more pricey. Your smaller size, you pay less. Your medium, you pay slightly more. Your large, you pay slightly more. That's how we do it.
Based on the weight. Based on the weight. So, you know, a chubby guy like me, living on a cruise ship, you know, the washing machines are all broken. All my clothes seem to be tighter and tighter. I don't think that's... I can't keep using the washing machine as the... Look at this one, huh?
Styles,
Look at this one.
but all same 100% cashmere, lower piano yarn.
Wow. Very nice. And all of these have been made here?
All of these made in our factories. We
Okay.
100% bespoke. So you came in today, you choose your style, you choose your color, you choose your size, and we deliver it to your hotel within 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
If you're leaving tonight, we will do our best to deliver the product to you before you leave tonight.
Do you deliver to other countries? Like, could you deliver to the U.S.? Could you do UK, Australia, anywhere? So if someone happens to be here like me, and I see a piece that I like, I could have you mail it to my house. Nice. Now, is there a fee for that? Do I have to pay for the postage, or is that included in the price? Okay. So this is our tour of the shop and the factory, and I hope you enjoy